Okay, yeah, this is a Toyota Mirai. It's a fuel cell electric vehicle. It uses hydrogen that it gets from electrolysis or hydrogen refueler compression. For full tank you need 700 bar compression, but we only have half tank capability now in South Africa. That's 350 bar. That fills up the car to half a tank. Half a tank we can get roughly 260 kilometer range. So the fuel cell car, it takes the hydrogen and it reverses the process of what produced hydrogen of electrolysis. So it combines the hydrogen with oxygen molecules and it makes water again. So the hydrogen came from water, but this process in the car, it makes water again, and then what it does, it frees up the electrons that was on the hydrogen molecule. Those electrons then go to a battery pack, and the battery pack powers on-demand electric motors as you're driving the car. And that's how it goes. That's how the fuel cell technology works. So it's a fuel cell electric vehicle in principle. It's not the only application you have for hydrogen. There is also hydrogen internal combustion engine, but it's not yet available for commercial use. So several companies are working on that technology. Yeah, the benefit for South Africa to utilizing or expanding this technology in the world. South Africa is one of the largest producers of platinum group metal mining. The catalytic converter is their biggest market for platinum group metals. So the catalytic converters are used on internal combustion engine cars. For every battery electric vehicle that we sell in the world, there's not a catalytic converter that gets sold. So that's actually bad for the platinum industry in South Africa. The good news is, in the hydrogen value chain, on the electrolysis, you will use PGM catalyst. In the fuel cell, you use also a lot of PGM catalyst, about 4 to 5 times more PGM compared to one catalytic converter. So if we can utilize this technology efficiently and grow the market in the world, it can be good for the platinum industry in South Africa and good for the company as a whole. Other than that, hydrogen is a fantastic technology that you can localize anywhere. It doesn't do well if you want to export it over long distances. So if you can localize the energy, you don't have to import fuel from the Middle East, and it's a big benefit for the country as well.